Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in Offshore Life. And to this video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo isa sa pinakamagandang puerto kung saan ang barko natin ay nagkakaroon ng mobilization phase. When you say mobilization phase, that is the place kung saan nagkakarga po tayo ng mga equipment or offshore equipment as well as mobilization of personnel. When we say mobilization of personnel, that's include marine personnel and at the same time project personnel or yung mga personnel involved for the offshore operation. So dito, makikita po ninyo tong lugar dito sa may Caribbean area kung saan kami nakadaong ay talagang napakaganda. Isa ito sa mga puerto na kung saan ay nagulat po kami when we arrived here in Caribbean area dahil ganito ang nadatna namin. Maraming mga yate and we already have some kind of impression na maganda itong lugar na to dahil maraming mga turista, maraming mga bakasyonista and at the same time retirees kung saan dito na sila tumira sa mga yate nila and they opt to stay and live in this place dahil siguro sa safety as well as security ay napaganda. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang kabuuan ng lugar na to. Kung makikita po ninyo talagang buhay na buhay ang lugar na to when it comes to the forest as well as the nature. At pinapakita ko po sa inyo napakaraming yate ang nakadaong dito sa may harapan ng barko namin and at the same time dito sa may gilid dyan po ay nakikita po ninyo, kinunan ko po yan, ay halos harbor po yan ng mga yate and it's like some kind of a private daungan at nakababa po tayo dyan at nakita po natin na talagang well arranged po yung mga yate dyan dahil nagkaroon po tayo ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng crew change dyan. We were just picked up by our FRC then pati na rin po yung mga offsigner ay dyan rin bumaba at nakita natin kung gaano kagandang lugar peacefully and safely. So several times that we had carried out our crew change at napakaganda at talagang desirable na magkaroon ng vacation. At dyan ko nakita na mayroon palang swimming pool dyan just a stone throw away sa may daungan namin at talagang nagtanong kami dyan kung pwede kami mag-swimming dyan and definitely we were not allowed kasi private resort pala yan. So we were not given a chance na maligo. So unless otherwise na naka-check-in po kayo or naka-check-in tayo dyan sa may lugar na yan. So yan, pinapakita ko rin yung lighthouse kung saan restaurant pala yan dyan. At the same time ay pwede kayong lumabas dyan just in case you decide to go ashore para magkaroon ng banding sa mga kasamahan nyo or some kind of a relaxation, unwinding, a bottle of beer or kakain po kayo ng burger or some kind of a dinner out kasama yung mga kasamahan ay talagang relaxing. So babanggitin ko po yung lugar na to. This is in Chaguaramas, Trinidad. So Chaguaramas, Trinidad ay located po dito sa may Caribbean area at talagang isa sa mga puerto kung saan ang mga logistics ng mga PSB, construction or offshore construction ay dito po nila kinukuha at dinadala doon sa my offshore Guyana where is the offshore development is currently going on. Thank you very much for watching guys and please don't forget to follow, click like and share my video para mapanood din po ng iba. And don't forget to drop a comment kung taga saan po kayo para malaman ko saan inabot tong video na to. So thank you very much and as I always say, stay safe and God bless everyone. Salamat po.